Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy and today I'm going to talk about how to create graphics for Instagram stories. Social media advertising images or images you share should now look more professional because this actually makes your business look professional and you need it to attract the attention of users more easily. You can increase the likes and interactions with a well-prepared social media post. If you enjoy posting graphics versus photos, you'll be happy to hear that you can use graphics in Instagram stories. Create your graphic in Illustrator or Photoshop, making sure the graphic is 1080 pixels wide x 1920 pixels high. Export the graphic as a JPG and email it to yourself. And next, open the email on your phone and download it to your camera roll. Then upload the graphic to Instagram stories in the same way you upload a photo. If you don't have Illustrator or Photoshop, you can use Adobe Spark to create your graphics. It's much simpler for someone without design experience to use. Adobe Spark is available on your phone, which saves the steps of emailing the graphic and includes Instagram stories templates which you can alter. And you can also create your own design. To create an Instagram story graphic on your phone using Adobe Spark, you need to follow some instructions. The first thing you need to do is to download the Adobe Spark app from the App Store and create a username and password. You can also log in through Facebook or Google. And the app is free to use, but some photos and illustrations cost $1 each and are clearly marked in the app. And then choose a design. Tap a category at the top of the screen such as lifestyle, business, school or travel and make a selection in the list of designs in that category that appear. And then tap a design in the featured section. Adobe Spark offers categories and featured designs that you can alter. And then tap Remix. And then the screen that you are seeing here appears and customize a template designs photo layout and more. And change the design by tapping the options here. Add tags or a new photo by tapping on your choice. Then either type new tags and tap done or select photo library to access your photos, access the camera roll to take a photo or search free photos to use a stock photo. Tap the photo you would like to use and it will be added to your design. And the design icon, change the look and feel of your post by tapping design and then choosing one of the other suggested designs. Your photo or background will remain the same, but the font and filter will change and tap done after you find the design you like. Premium paid customers can also add their own fonts and filters in the brand section and add those to a design. Palette. In the palette section, you can change the color scheme of your image and text, and several color palettes are available. To change the color palette, simply tap a new palette and tap down to save the palette to your design. Resize your design according to its use. You can choose correct sizing for a Facebook ad, Instagram stories, YouTube, and more. Tap the size you want and then tap done. Layout. I'll alter the layout of your image by changing the grid. This change will typically prompt you to upload more photos depending on the layout you select. Tap the grid you like and then tap done. To add more photos, tap add and following the instructions detailed earlier in the section about adding photos. And effects. Change filters by selecting one of the filters at the bottom of the screen or choose animation and select how you'd like to animate your images. After you select the filter or animation, tap done. When you're satisfied with your graphic, tap share. Then choose save post as either video or image to save the graphic to your camera roll. On the next screen, do not tap the Instagram icon. Selecting that will send the graphic to your main Instagram newsfeed, not the Instagram stories. And then upload the graphic just as you would upload a photo to Instagram stories. When you create an image in Adobe Spark, it saves the image in My Post. And for future images, it may be easier to use my post to alter one of your own designs if you normally stick to similar colors, styles, and fonts for your brand. The editing features and sharing process are the same as using one of Adobe Spark's templates. Canva is another popular app that allows you to create graphics based on its templates. However, it doesn't have a template sized exactly for Instagram stories. I hope this information will be helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.